Tella or Camtasia? If you're looking for the best software to create videos, then you might be wondering which one of the two is the best. Well, stick around because today we're going to answer that question. Camtasia is a powerful video recorder and editor built to record educational content and tutorials. Tella, on the other hand, was built as a better alternative to Loom, so its focus is to make it as easy as possible to record and share your videos with others. Recording a video in Tella is extremely simple. We can just click on Record Video, then use Web App, select our microphone and camera, and if we want to record a screen, also our screen, and then we can hit Record. After a short countdown, hi, I'm recording this video in Tella. And when we are satisfied, we hit Stop, and as you can see, it created one of the clips. Now in Tella, we can create multiple clips, which is ideal for longer form content. Recording in Camtasia is extremely simple as well. We can just hit New Recording, then select our screen, camera, microphone, and then click Record. Again, after a short countdown, hi, I'm recording this video in Camtasia. And then we can just click on the icon and then stop recording. After our recording process is completed, that's where we start to see the main differences. Tella offers a very intuitive and simple editor that we can use to refine our clips. One of the features that users love about Tella is the layout feature. Basically, instead of messing for hours to make the video look good, you can just select one of the many pre-built layouts and they will look great. Camtasia also recently introduced something similar called the Rev mode. Basically, after recording, you can choose one of the many pre-built layouts and quickly export from there without having to mess with the complexity of the full editor. One of the coolest features of Tella is the transcript-based editing, which allows you to edit your video as if it was a Google Doc from its transcript. That can save hours in certain cases. One of the main advantages of Tella is that it's web-based, so you don't need to install anything to use it. Moreover, Tella makes it a breeze to share the video with others. You just have to click publish and you get instantly a shareable link that you can send to other people. Camtasia, in contrast, it's packed with features, but not always as easy to use. Besides basic editing like trimming clips, you can also enrich the videos with annotations, background music, and much more. Compared to Tella, you also get a much more granular control on your audio, which might be important for certain use cases. I also love about Camtasia the ability to add an AI green screen effect, which basically removes your background and makes certain layouts possible in your videos. Camtasia comes as a subscription starting at $200 per year, all the way up to $550 per year if you want Camtasia Pro. Now, unfortunately, there is no monthly plan, so if you want to buy Camtasia, you will have to subscribe for at least a year. Tella is also available as a subscription starting at $12 per month, all the way up to $40 per month. So it's slightly cheaper than Camtasia, and most importantly, it offers the ability to buy a single month if you don't want to buy the whole year. If you're considering using Camtasia or Tella to create educational content like tutorials, courses, and product demos, then let me tell you, I don't think that either of the two is the best tool for the job. My favorite tool to create educational content is called Borumi. With Borumi, you can decide the structure of your video in the built-in editor, which is very similar to Notion and Google Docs. Then you can record every scene separately, retrying as many times as you want. This is very convenient because it allows you to split the recording into smaller chunks, which are much easier to manage. And then you can edit the video in the built-in editor. Here you can trim the clips, either in the timeline or using the powerful transcript-based editing. You can also select nice-looking layouts, remove the noise, and so much more. Finally, you can export your video ready to be published to your platform of choice. You can get access to Borumi by visiting borumi.com.